Welcome to your road sign guide drive, where you'll train your eyes to choose the right sign in seconds. In this video, you'll see pairs of look-alike road signs, and you need to choose which one is correct. This exercise will help you learn to spot signs accurately during your driving test and in daily driving. If you find this video useful, remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more straightforward driving practice. Let's begin. Which sign marks the beginning of a no parking zone? What symbol signals the end of a road ahead? Spot the sign that warns of a height restriction coming up. Which sign restricts vehicles that exceed a certain length? Find the sign that bans left turns for vehicles. What warning sign shows a curve with a side road on the right? Which one alerts drivers to a cyclist crossing area? Identify the sign that shows an added lane merging from the left. Which sign marks the entrance to a rest area? Spot the notice for a detour just ahead. Which road sign redirects drivers traveling to a specific destination? What symbol means yield ahead? Find the unmistakable sign that marks no entry. Which sign warns of children crossing up ahead? Spot the approach direction sign in the group. Which sign means one way, with a right arrow? Identify the advisory speed sign in the group. Which one is labeled as a snowmobile route? What road sign restricts vehicles above a certain weight? Which sign warns of a reverse curve to the left? Spot the warning for low-flying aircraft or sudden noise. What symbol shows a combined path for pedestrians and cyclists? Which one tells you there's a ferry crossing nearby? Find the sign that instructs cyclists to dismount and walk. Which sign marks the end of a motor road? What icon prohibits littering in the area? Which French language sign bans turning right on red? Spot the sign that marks a dead-end street. Which sign warns of a sharp curve to the left? Find the symbol that permits pedestrian access. Which one warns of a drawbridge ahead? What road sign signals a steep ascent coming up? Spot the one that mandates going straight only, no turns. Which symbol simply refers to cars? Find the triangular sign for slow-moving vehicles. What warning alerts drivers to slippery roads when wet? Which one warns of another train following soon after the first? Find the sign that says, "Do not enter," or "Wrong way." Which sign indicates there's a junction 100 yards ahead? What road sign announces the next motorway service area in 10 miles? And that concludes our practical road sign test. We hope this video helped you learn to identify road signs quickly and accurately, preparing you for your test and everyday driving. If you enjoyed this quiz, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more clear driving challenges. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.